In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the upper function in Microsoft Excel 2016. So the upper function, the role the upper function plays is that it will capitalize all the letters in a string of characters that you have in a cell. So let's go over to our Excel spreadsheet. And the one I have open, I opened my Fabricam Alarm Codes 2 Excel spreadsheet workbook file. So if you're in my class, you can click on here too. So in D11, I'm going to type EMP, so employee, cat for category 1. So this might seem familiar if you've been doing this with me before, if you've done the step-by-steps previous. It's the same thing as in my L column, but if you notice, all of these are lowercase. So what we're going to do, we're going to make them all uppercase. So we're going to click cell D11 or D12. We're going to go to our formulas tab. We're going to click text. We're going to type upper or find upper and text. What are we going to do to our, or which text are we using? We're going to put L2. Click OK, and we can drag it down. So it capitalizes the employee codes. So in this one, we're going to put employee category 2, EMP cat 2. And we're going to type equals upper in parentheses, and then we're going to click over here on M2 and close it. So now our lowercase np turns into an uppercase np. We're going to pull this down. So now we have uppercase letters for employee category 2. So that's how you use the upper function in Excel 2016.